Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix no data or no connection problem. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing no data or no connection problem in your Android while browsing any internet, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you can check by enabling your flight mode and disable it again, and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, you can check whether your network is properly working or not. You can restart your mobile and check. If still you are facing the issue, then you have to go to the settings, then search for date and time. Just type here date and time, click on date and time. Here you can see set time automatically. You have to just enable this option, set time automatically. After that, you can see here auto set time zone. You have to enable this option, and below that you will find another option, set time zone based on current location. You have to enable this option. You have to enable your device location. Now close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix no data connection or no internet connection problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.